natural eh. Hindi mo kailangan umano pa.
Mars, iwan ka doon dito, Mars. Kakanta mo na si Mars.
Hey now pa yan?
Minsan lang ito, no?
Oh, minsan lang ka din. She's so lucky!
Let's get party.
Yo!
She wakes up with a knock, knock, knock on the door. Come on, it's time for makeup.
Smile at the camera. Cute.
You they're all waiting for. She said she loved me.
Smile.
I'll be a good girl.
Alright.
She's so lucky.
O bakit? Saka ganyan kayo? Video yan! Yeah!
Every sa'yo ni Hans. My name is Kim and right now we're on the first day of our reunion together program with our program.
Yari ka sa YouTube nga!